So you messed up your grout color, or you just want to change the color of your grout. This is the perfect video for you. I'm going to be testing out Grout Renew by Custom. Custom is a great brand. I always use their Prism grout. It's a really good grout. Every situation is different. What happened to me is I was mixing the grout and it looked almost blue. It was like super cool gray and I didn't like it. I ended up going in my shed, getting some grout that I had laying around. Unfortunately, too white, especially in a bathroom floor. You don't want white grout. Personally, because it's just so hard to clean, I decided to change the color to oyster gray. You can also go the route of using a grout pen. I did this in Scottsdale and it actually turned out pretty good. So I'll leave some links to a grout pen in the description below. I'm gonna clean all the tile with this solution here, and then we'll see how this Grout Renew works. So my plan is to dip the toothbrush, put it in the grout line, let it set for 30 seconds, and then wipe. Hopefully it doesn't wash away too much of the color. So let's see if it works. If I had to rate this between 0 and 10, I'd probably give this product 5 or a 6. Harder to work with than I thought. When you wipe it, you have to be really fast because it sets up quick on the tiles. But man, it was a pain in the butt. Looking back, I probably would have just kept it white or just used the grout marker. That thing was pretty dang good in my other bathroom in Scottsdale. If I were to go back in time, I probably would have just used the grout pen. Lesson learned. Really take your time with the grout colors. I know if you're watching this video, you're annoyed by me saying that because you already made the mistake. It's very important. Even buy Home Depot's little kit there. It gives you the exact grout colors, or you can buy these, and these are the match, so you can kind of experiment without. I'm never going to be making the mistake of a wrong grout color. I'm going to do my best to never have to do this again, but if I do it again, I will probably do the grout pen option, and it's a little bit cheaper and less prep. But anyway, I hope you guys liked the video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.